Hello everyone, welcome to another video on essential formulas. This formula is how to calculate the induced EMF, or otherwise known as Faraday's law. So let's start with our heading. So we will call it Faraday's law. And let's grab our red pen for all of our formulas. And this one starts with a lowercase e, b, l, and a lowercase v, not a capital V this time. So let's transpose that. We will have capital B equals E over LV, and then we have L equals E over B V, and finally the V equals E over B L. We'll grab our different colour pen and let's write down all of the letters that we've used in our formula. So we've got a lowercase e equals L equals capital B equals, and a lowercase v equals, grab my other pen, back to black. So lowercase e is induced EMF, and L is length, B is magnetic flux density, and lowercase v is velocity. And we'll switch pens again, so let's write down the SI unit for each of these. So, induced EMF. EMF is electromotive force, so EMF is volts, measured in V. Length is measured in meters. Magnetic flux density, that is a capital T, measured in Teslas. Tesla, just like the car. And velocity is measured in meters per second. That's to the power of -1, meters per second. And there we have Faraday's law transposed always. Ensure your revision note looks exactly like this. Maybe make it a little bit neater than mine, but use these colours and set it out exactly as I have. Helps you remember it far easier. Thank you for watching the video. Remember, we've got plenty of other videos on all of the other tests that you can do, and there are also many videos on cable calculations and all sorts of things that you're going to need to know to complete level 2 and level 3 in electrical installation. Now, if you want my tabs that I have on my BS7671, visit the website electricalstudent.co.uk where you can purchase those. Also on the website, loads of free stuff, loads of practice tests, mock exam questions and such like. Working with electrical installation, guys, remember, be safe. Most importantly, listen to your lecturers. He or she definitely knows best. Take care, guys. See you soon.